I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to sign up on mxtakatak. For that, you'll need to open up your mxtakatak app on your phone. After you open up your app, tap on the profile icon which is on bottom right of your screen. Here you can see that you can sign up with Facebook, Google or phone number. For now, I'm going to show you how to sign up with phone number. Firstly, select country for country code. Here by default it has selected my country. Now enter your phone number that you want to link to your account. When you are done, tap on next. You will now receive a verification code on your phone number. Enter the verification code, then tap on continue. Your phone number has now been verified. Then select your gender, select your birth year, birth month and your birth date. After that, create your Takatak ID. Be sure to include letters, numbers, underscores and periods. When you're done, tap on sign up. A pop-up message will appear on your screen informing you that you can only change your Takatak ID once every 180 days. If you're sure you want to update your Takatak ID, tap on Update ID. This way you can create account on mxtakatak. Now you can create, watch and share short videos for entertainment. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.